had put in like close hotels to Universal, but this is literally down the street.
Yeah, it was not far.
I didn't get the outside.
The street?
This is a parking structure.
Or is it under the street? Like someone just...
Let's go.
Inside.
What is it, first floor?
Daddy!
Where's that?
We're here.
Ow!
Hey! You okay?
Here.
Lobby? That one?
Yeah, to the right.
When are we going to be in?
We have to go look right now.
We're gonna go register.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the patio. Breakfast area. Come here, Ivy.
So you're fine. Yeah, you're fine. Okay.
The top of the elevator. So you come in and you have some hanging,
From all he did today, he's going to sleep.
fridge, coffee and stuff. Nice little table.
Hey, no jumping, no jumping. I guess I could throw those people under us.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this bathroom.
Don't you know, Remy? Oh, that's cool.
It's a cool bathroom, huh?
I like the little light in here.
Wait, is there
Hi.
no Netflix?
We got your TV,
Yeah, but is there
a
no
little
Netflix?
table. Oh, how cute. I don't know how to do this. Ah! Sorry, Ivy. An orange tree.
Can I see? Whoa. Look.
We got the double bed.
And lights.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Can you turn the other one on too?
If there is, yeah.
Yeah, I think there is.
Over there.
I was a little nervous because we literally haven't stayed in a hotel in a long time. We do Airbnb now.
Where do we put our seats?
But it's nice. It's like, looks newer, smells newer. I like it. So the pool was already reserved,
I know, it sucks.
but they're able to reserve us for tomorrow morning. Like literally right before we check out. But it seems cool. He said it's like a heated pool.
Yeah.
So that's nice. I was looking for a place just for the night on Airbnb, and that's where I found this place, and it had like a lot of good reviews on Airbnb and on bookings and hotels.com. But what I did realize was on Airbnb it came out to $195, fees and everything. On their website it came out to $180, fees with everything, and then with bookings it came out to $175. So there's a little hack. Try it out on different websites and save your money. The thing I will say is that you just pay for parking $20 for the whole day. You can go in and out. They give you this. So they don't offer like continental breakfast, but they have this. That's such a cute view in the morning. So Ivan went to go buy us some food and we're gonna go eat by the pool. Let's go? Let's go.
I need shoes.
We got breakfast from like literally across the street.
Those French fries. French fries.
How cute is this patio? Yeah, it's like those, like that open
You guys
door
got pancakes.
concept.
You gotta eat your pancakes, okay?
It's so cute. We brought our breakfast here because it's just,
So good.
we wanted to come here last
So
night and
yummy.
it got too late, so might as well take advantage now.
Your French toast.
Yeah. We got French toast.
Eat your pancakes.
Yum.
Pancakes. They look so good.
Our turn.
That's how it is.
It's our turn.
I wonder if it's gonna be too hot.
They said it was a heated pool, but not as hot as a jacuzzi, but I don't know about the kids.
It's hot.
It's pretty hot. So one thing we didn't know was that you have to reserve pool time, but the guy was cool and he let us reserve for today in the morning. And he didn't have, we check out at 11 and he didn't have till 10. So he moved our check-in to 12, which is pretty cool.
Check out.
Check out.
You did it.
So you get about an hour of the, you know, this whole little area to yourself.
Yatan.
A whole hour.
Okay, bye.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Are we almost there?
Yes, we're super close. Okay, what do you rate Peruvian ceviche? One out of 10. I say a 10-10. It's good.